In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to switch Google Play to accept PayPal. And if we are going to the payment methods right here, we can see that I can just easily add PayPal right here. But if that does not show up for you, and you would go to your account settings, for example, and then right here it says switch to your country's Play Store, and in my country I can just add a PayPal, but in your country you may not be able to. So what I recommend doing then is go to the Play Store and download this VPN right here and open it up. And a VPN is basically like a sort of thing on your phone where you can switch locations and trick your phone or Play Store in this case, that it will think you are actually in that country, but you are not. So yeah, when you've downloaded this app and you agree and stuff like that, you want to click on Tap to connect. And I'm currently connected to the United Kingdom, but we can also change this. If we click on the country, we can basically just change it to whatever we want. I'm currently in the United Kingdom, and if we go back to the Play Store, we can go back to our account and wait that to load up. And as you can see, it says switch to the United Kingdom Play Store, and there's also less payment methods currently than there was in my country. But as you can see, it says add PayPal, and that is what we want, of course. So just make sure to do that, and you can just add a PayPal account to your Google Play Store. So that is basically it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.